Today I share with you the most spicy puff puff recipe with you all. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I've come to share with you this simple BOFLOT or puff puff recipe with you all. It's so easy to put together and you are going to love it. Trust me on this one. In fact, I was so much impressed with the outcome and I hope you're going to love it as well. So without wasting my time, let's get started. Alright, so to a bowl, I'll go in with my 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out, okay? Moving forward, I'll go ahead and activate my yeast. So to a bowl, I'll go in with my active dry yeast. I'll also go in with my sugar, which is also going to help activate the yeast very well. Don't go in with cold water. This is warm water or lukewarm water. Mix everything beautifully and cover it and keep it in a warm place for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to prove very well. Whilst that is going on, if you are still not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Alright, so now our active dry yeast is ready. As you can see, the bubbles in there indicating that the yeast is really good. So I'll add it to my flour, and next I'll also go in with my sugar. I don't really love sugar, so you can add in more sugar if you want, okay? Next to my spicy ingredients, I'll go in with my onion, pepper, green pepper, and some ginger, just a thumb size. I'll blend everything nicely and I'll add it to the flour as well. Last but not the least, I'll go in with some salt to taste. Mix it all together until you achieve the perfect consistency. Whilst mixing, remember also to go in with your water little by little until you achieve the perfect consistency. Alright, so now let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, so after mixing the dough, this is the perfect consistency that I'll be going for. I'll just cover it with some cling film, allow it to rest or proof for about 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes it has really proven very well. So next I'll go in with my clean hands and I'm going to whisk the dough until I have no air in the dough again, okay? And for today, I'm also going to be using the catch and throw method, which always makes my puff puff very smooth and very presentable. You can learn this trick and trust me, you are going to be perfect on it. So now after doing so, you just have to start heating up your oil. Make sure the oil is very hot before you go in with your puff puff, because we don't want the puff puff or our BOFLOT to start soaking in the oil. So after the oil is hot enough, I will just go in with my puff puff. And I also have a video on my channel which I shared how you can scoop or drop puff puff in your oil with or without using your hand. It's very helpful. I'll also leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out, okay? So after dropping everything nicely in the oil like this, you just have to turn your flame to low medium heat until the BOFLOT turns into the perfect golden brown color that I'll be going for, because we don't want the outside to fry or cook whilst the inside isn't ready. So let's fry until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color. Whilst the puff puff is frying, don't forget as well to give me a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Click on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person also to be notified. And don't forget as well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that as well. Alright, so after frying the puff puff, look how beautiful it turned out. It came out so good, as you can see. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this spicy puff puff or BOFLOT recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try, and I'll be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.